Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun intermediate tap routine for you to learn. So let's watch that preview, grab your tap shoes, and let's get started. Stamps. From there, you're going to spin backwards. Spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, cross, and just step that toe. From there, you're going to do two heels, heel, heel, toe, toe, and spin yourself around. Drive that foot, 7, heel, slap it on the ground. So once again, you're here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4. Heel, heel, toe, toe, spank, heel, step. And from the back, that same 8 count, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And a little faster, 5, 6, 7. Moving on from that slide, we're going to ball change again with 2 stamps and 1 to the corner. You're going to do 2 toe drops and 2, and then you're going to do 2 heel drops and 3, and then 2 claps and 4. From there, you're going to scuff your foot. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, scuff, heel, stand, and make sure we transfer that weight. So once again, that 8 count is and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, scuff, heel, stand. And facing the back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, scuff, heel, stand. And a little faster. You go. And piecing those 2 counts of 8 together, you start 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. You're going to hold 3 and do 2 heel drops and 4. So once again, your counts are 1 and a 2, up and 4. From there, we're going to hop shuffle, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, and stand that foot. So that 8 count starts with your cramp roll, 1 and a 2 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. And we start with that cramp roll, 1 and a 2 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. And a little faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, go cramp roll. From there, we're going to do a military time step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to step to the side, step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change, change. So the count's up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and up. And that 8 count facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and up. And facing doing that together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Facing the back, 5, 6, 7. Moving on from there, we're going to jump straight out. 1. We're going to bring it together. 2. We're going to do our heels. 3 and 4 with 2 toe drops. From there, we're going to do paradiddles. 5A and a 6A and a 7A and a 8. And we're going to transfer that weight. To finish that choreography, we're going to step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, 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 toe, hop, step, toe. So once again, those last 2 counts big. We jump out. 1, bring it in on 2. Heels, toes, toes. Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, 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 toe, hop, step, toe, hop. And those last 2 counts of 8 facing the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5A and a 6A and a 7A and a 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, 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 toe, hop, step, toe, hop. All right, let's piece this together slow from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with some music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your ability level. So good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that top combo. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.